to Cook&Vibes. You are tuned into 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, it's a special episode today, people, yeah? All right, 24-hour kitchen is taking over Cook&Vibes. Boosh! Come out that way. All right, sugar cane. But guess what, people, yeah? What's on the menu today? Yeah, man, we are shopping now. Yeah, man, outside, fully active.
You want this one? You want this one?
What's this? This soup? Nah, I need a proper codfish.
Oh, no.
Yeah, because if we're cooking saltfish, we need the real thing. Not true, people? All right, a good vibes. Yeah. Remember where we are, people, yeah? We're in Fort Neath, a good vibes. Yeah, man, the shop here provides you with everything that you need, essential Afro-Caribbean food suppliers, people, yeah? Them are, yeah, big up the Ugandan brother. Essential products, you know, everybody. Yeah, man, a good vibes, man. Look at that. Different forms of peanut butter, ginger. Look at this. We have a moringa powder, hibiscus. A good vibes, people, yeah. Come check the shop out. Got loads of ingredients, all imported. Fresh. Let me say fresh. Avocado. Yes, people, you know what I want. All right. As I'm telling you from earlier on, I am Ringo VIISION, coming from 24-hour kitchen, and I'm here. It's a takeover on Cook&Vibes, people, yeah. So you do the right thing. Go back over onto Ringo VIISION and subscribe. We're doing a duo right now from Ringo VIISION to Cook&Vibes, people. So right now I'm taking over Cook&Vibes for the next couple of weeks, people, yeah. So you're gonna be seeing Ringo VIISION. I got something special for you guys. So you have to go back over to Ringo VIISION to catch the rest of the thing, people, yeah. Big up on the damn self. It's a good vibes, you know. Yeah, man. Up, big up yourself. Everybody watching right now, big up yourself. I go drive to the location, and I cook where I go cook right now. Good vibes. Yeah, yes, people. Yeah, man. See the saltfish there. P, you washing the saltfish, yeah?
Yeah, hey. I'm going to rinse it off, you get me?
All right, people, are good vibes. Okay. Look at this. So yeah, man, some nice cool meal dumpling is ready. So today, what's on the menu, people? Yeah, we've got saltfish and some okra. Yeah, man, and some hard food. Everybody, big up yourself. You done not end up, big up yourself. Good vibes. All right. So we've got a pot of boiling water waiting for the ingredients, them people, yeah, to go into the pot. A good vibes. Yeah.
Feel the energy.
What you say?
Positivity, harmony, and symphony.
I just want you to tell everybody on Cook&Vibes right now, yeah, to subscribe to Ringo VIISION in French.
Ouais, donc écrivez-vous sur Ringo VIISION et enregistrez-vous parce que Ringo VIISION, c'est ce qu'il y a de punch en ce moment, donc ça frappe, mais ça frappe fort. Ouais.
Tell M. that we're going to give him a French lesson soon.
Ouais, M. bientôt on va aussi te montrer comment parler et pincer le français en parlant le français avec l'accent suisse, bien avec l'accent français, tu vois ce que je veux dire, bien avec l'accent français.
That is it, you don't know, say Yardman are international, we don't go to Sweden and we don't know, say we are born up French, and you don't know, say we have the language we have on lock. People, so you don't know, say it's a vibes right now. So as you can see that we're just doing the preparation for the bananas them, yeah. So what we do, we cut off the ends, both ends, and then we score a line all the way down the middle of the banana. So that way when we boil the banana in the skin, you know, we're gonna boil the banana in the skin, and after it's boiled in the skin, it can just easily just be removed from out of the skin, everybody. Have good vibes, you know. Green banana, yellow yam, white yam. We have some plantain here, people, yeah. Some Irish potato as well on the menu as well, people, yeah. So good vibes. Look at this. Simple thing. Hold on. So, that is it, man. So we're going to boil these bananas for about half an hour to about 40 minutes. Yeah, man. Say about 45 minutes, then banana you go boil, people, yeah. And then we got the pot separately that we're going to put the yam and the dumpling. The dumplings already been kneaded up and ready. So you don't know what I want, people, yeah? Just thumping on the thing are good vibes. Yeah, man, so we just peel up the white yam, yeah? So good vibes. Good vibes. People, if you want to know how to make fried dumpling, go and check out on Ringo Vision. You can check it out right now and see the fried dumpling episode over on Ringo Vision. You see, the fire outside, I blaze up, man, and joke thing. Good vibes, because I don't know, so even though we are cook inside, the fire still after blaze said we are good vibes. The saltfish has been boiled off now, yeah, and all the saltiness have been boiled out. So we boil the saltfish to your texture and your likings of your saltiness. Some people like them saltfish really salty, some like it medium, some like it like a little bit of salt. We've got it with a little bit of salt to hold that flavour said way. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take the water off of there, and then we're going to start to cut up the ingredients that we're going to be using to cook the saltfish, which is the onion. Let me show you what I want. Because we have some onions and some peppers, and we are working with some okra as well, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Look, so now look, yam is one of them things there, people, yeah? When you work with yam, yeah, you have to be careful, because yam is one of them ones there that will scratch your skin. You see this part of your skin? Be careful, don't get that part of your skin on the yam, because it will scratch your skin. But look at this simple way to peel the yam, yeah, from one end to the other end, and you just slice just underneath the surface of the skin, and you go down neatly, and then that is it, people, yeah? Yellow yam I peel up. Yeah, I just want to say, you know, back more time when you're dead back home in Jamaica and you cook some food, yeah, without have the fire burn said way. So you know, say, yeah, man, we have a fire right here, so I kick off said way, even though we're inside the kitchen, people, yeah, and yeah, man, they put them there, man, and we did our whole vibe said way. You don't know, say, it's a Jamaican vibration that we're having said way in England, no, because you don't know, say, raw. I have to keep up my roots and my culture. You understand, people? And just make sure that I'm eating the same native food, yeah? I'm eating the same native food that I would have been eating back home as if I was back home said way in Jamaica. So you see the yellow yam, the dashi, and the quaker, yeah, I'm still proud to be eating that in my daily diet, week in, week out. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive here in the UK to be eating just your normal food that you'll be eating back home, because of importation prices and charges, the things them cost more money. But guess what? You have to eat the right things them, and the right things them is the yard food. That me I talk about, people. You don't think I joke? Alright, you can't be in England, people, and not have no good old Irish potato, you know what I mean? A good vibes. So look at this now, what's happening here, the pot's bubbling up with the banana inside, so a good vibe. So you're gonna see the finishing process here, and how the meal is gonna be so nice. A good vibe, man. Banana then is gonna be so soft and they're not gonna mash out. So this is a style that you boil the banana in the skin so that you can get the best result of a nice boiled banana, people, yeah? A good vibes. Alright everyone, so if you want to know how to make boiled dumpling, this is how you make boiled dumpling. So it's a simple process. Everybody's got their own technique. This is one technique that you can use. As you can see, fingers are moving like clockwork. Yeah, man. And you got thumb that's placed inside the middle of the dumpling itself until you move around and get yourself a circular motion like a car wheel. You know what I'm saying? It's like a car wheel we are make, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe. See, yeah, we got quite a bit of dumpling to make, so we've made quite a few dumplings so far. So yeah, man, a dumpling vibes right now. Alright. So we there eat some coconut as well, people, so yeah, man, a good vibes. We're putting in the yam, plantain, Irish potato. The dumpling them is floating on top of the water. A good vibes. Yes, people, so while going now, I'm just cutting up the... Come in. So look, red onion gives you a nice flavour to the thing. So just chop up some red onion. We also got okra, yellow, red, green pepper. I cooked some saltfish with okra. Alright, look at this, everyone, yeah? So nicely, look. Just cut up the onions nicely, everybody. So good vibes right now in the kitchen. Where's all my hard food lovers? Put it in the comment section. Let me know what kind of hard food you like, people. Yeah, man, you don't know, say. My favorite hard food is the yellow yam and the dasheen. So put it in the comment section what one you like are good vibes. Yeah, man.
Yeah, good vibes. Dumpling a boy. Yeah, my boy.
Good vibes, people.
Yeah, man, I broke the roche. Yeah, well off. Vision.
The part they can't turn off now.
Aye.
Paddy, come. My camera, everyone look. On camera, big up Paddy because he's on camera today. So good vibes. Yeah, man, we just done cut up the onions then.
1,000 in the house. Feel the energy.
Feel the energy, man. Good vibes. Just chopping up some peppers, everybody. Yeah, man. Nice. So look, the first stage to the saltfish now. Good vibes. So if we tell you about the thing, people, yeah. Alright, so look here now. The first stage to the saltfish, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna fry it up in the pan. So our good vibes, give it a nice crispy coating. You don't know a thing already, people, yeah? Our good vibes. So this process now, everybody, so I've sprinkled a bit of seasoning over the saltfish, you understand? Just to flavour it up. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lightly fry up the saltfish for a couple minutes. Let it get that crispiness. Then I'm gonna just take it back out, and then we're gonna kick it off. What am I saying? Kick it off. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, our good vibes. Yeah, man. So I am Ringo VIISION, if you don't know that already, and I'm over from 24-hour kitchen. I'm right, yes, sir, in a Cook&Vibes, you know, people. Yeah. So what you need to do now is go back over into Ringo VIISION. Click on the subscribe button, people. Hit that notification and wait for the next videos, because yeah, I'm gonna be running the two channels for the next couple weeks. So I'm gonna be giving the videos over onto uploading onto Cook&Vibes, and I'm gonna be uploading onto Ringo VIISION as well, people. Yeah. So you need to check out the two channels, people. Yeah. Big up yourself. What they are? I mean, need to check on the saltfish. Whoa! Look here. Yeah, man. A good vibe. The saltfish is frying up. Yeah, man, if you hear some background noise, because you don't know, so we're there with friends and family, said we are cooking at the kitchen, said we are good vibes, people, yeah? Oi, saltfish smells nice, man. Alright, everyone, so what I'm doing right now is just taking the saltfish out of the oil. It's got a nice crispy coating to it. And then what I'm going to do is scrape off all that nice crispy residue. Let that get into the pan as well, everybody. Yeah, man, I've good vibes. So look at this now. So you take that off, and we're back and ready again to go back on the fire again, people. Yeah, just add a tiny little bit more oil. Wow, look at that. I don't know, enjoy thing now, people. Go over to Ringo VIISION, yeah, and do the right thing, yeah. Good vibes. Look, we got yellow yam, we got cornmeal dumpling, white yam, Irish potato. Look, we got plantain there, boiling in the skin, said way. Good vibes. All right, what we got? Green banana. Good vibes. All right, so in the pan again that the saltfish just fry up. Cause look at the saltfish here just waiting. Alright, Sugar P.
Yeah.
Come in. So what I'm gonna do now, everyone, yeah, hold this up. So no, come over here. So we're frying up some onions, everyone. Nice. You see that? So let's get some onions in there. Let's go. So we've got some Scotch bonnet pepper here. No. Some Scotch bonnet pepper here, everyone. Alright, inside. Wow. So what we're doing right now is just infusing the flavors, everybody. Yeah, man, just getting the flavors of the onion frying in. A good vibes. You can smell the flavors coming from our pot. Come, let's go. Come, bring it over a bit to me. So what's happening now is going to put the saltfish back in, mix it all back in, everybody. Good vibes. Alright, everybody, so look at this. A good vibes, you know. So we got the saltfish. Yeah, man, with some butter beans, okra, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, yeah, man, thyme, scallion, red onion, everything inside of the pot, people, and look and see what I go on again. Oh, yeah, man. So it's time for a dish up time now, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yeah, man, you don't know what I go on. Everything done complete. A good vibes. Cook and vibes. Big up yourself. You don't know what I go on, people, so you know what to do the right thing. And next version I come out right now, different style, Jamaican style, said way. So just continue with the saga, please, people, yeah. So you have to go over onto Ringo Vision, subscribe to the channel, people, yeah. Do the right thing, yeah, man, and support the vibration while I go on. So a good vibes. You, wherever you are in the world, big up yourself. If it's the first time you're coming through and you're seeing Ringo Vision, big up yourself as well, and welcome to come over onto 24-hour kitchen, cause you don't know what I go on. Over this are some vibes I go on. Said way, dot. Hoy. Let me say, food done cook and everything I go on at the pot. Said way. Turn at 1000.
Don't know already how the things say. Bless up, manners and respect. Positivity, harmony, symphony.
Good vibes. That me I talk about, you know, man. Look on this, no, man. Yellow yam, dumpling, Irish potato, green banana, white yam. See the thing there, people, yeah, the saltfish and you know what I go on, okra and thing. Yeah, man, a good vibes. People, I want to know say some big dinner this, you know. And I'm going to look at dinner this, you know, people, some big dinner this, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Papi, bon appétit.
Non, merci.
Merci. Déjà. Ready.
Finito. Ciao.
Can them feel like some joke thing with them type of food and them food and don't joke thing, you know, people. Them food there when you're back home in Jamaica and you got a bush, you know. And go plant cabbage seed, you know. And pop sour seed and then you know, so you eat some good food before you left out of your yard. Yeah, man, for take on the day, because I don't know, joke thing, no, son, a beat out. I know, so some Iron Park style and then sitting here for carry out the cow in the morning before you left out, said we carry out the animal, them, so hard work. So, you know, so them hard work that we are putting in our life. You have to eat them food there, brother. If you don't eat them food there, your structure pop down. That may I make you know. That. What you say? No them food they are gone. Make sure say I cook them food for your family. I'm not joking with the thing over here, so not fine, brother. Yeah? Ringo VIISION is up. Yes, people, big up yourself. You don't know what go on. Yeah, man, we come outside. The food done eat off and everything, people. Yeah, it's a nice vibes. Yeah, man, there's a duo going on right now, and don't forget to go over onto Ringo VIISION, subscribe. You understand, people? There's gonna be some new videos coming out. I'm gonna be doing some uploads on Ringo VIISION, and I'm also gonna be doing some uploads on Cook&vibe, people. Yeah, so just do the right thing. So you watch 24-hour kitchen and you watch Cook&vibes as well, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Everybody that's watching this video for the first time and that's never met me before, big up yourself. I'm Ringo VIISION, as I said. It's a good vibes and it's a pleasure to meet all of you people, yeah? Oh, yeah, man, I see you on the next one, people, yeah? A good vibes.